Imagine a 3D printer that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. The Anycubic Photon P1 is here to revolutionize resin printing. Currently funding on Kickstarter, this printer appeals to both hobbyists and professionals alike. Let's dive into what makes the Photon P1 a game changer. The first standout feature is its dual color and dual material printing. Unlike traditional printers, the Photon P1 allows you to print with two different resins simultaneously. This flexibility opens your creative options. Whether you're designing intricate jewelry or functional prototypes, you can achieve stunning results without swapping materials mid-print. Next up is its compatibility with high-viscosity resins. The Photon P1 handles resins up to 8,000 CPS, making it perfect for casting, engineering, and jewelry applications. You'll see improved quality and consistency, even with challenging materials. Temperature control can make or break a print. The Photon P1 features an advanced temperature-controlled resin vat. It keeps your resin at an optimal 40 degrees Celsius, ensuring smooth flow and stable prints, especially with flexible or high-performance materials. Say goodbye to failed prints caused by inconsistent temperatures. Another frustration in 3D printing is bed leveling. Thanks to Auto Leveling 3.0, the Photon P1 calibrates the print bed automatically. This means less time spent on setup and more time creating. Even beginners can start printing right away. When it comes to size, the Photon P1 doesn't disappoint. It has a build volume of 223 x 126 x 230 mm, allowing for multiple parts in one go. Plus, with a resolution of 16.8 micrometers, you can create highly detailed models, perfect for intricate applications. So, what's the market potential? The Photon P1 is well positioned to attract makers and small studios who need a professional setup without the hefty price tag. It offers the necessary features for creating complex parts affordably. Educational institutions will benefit, too. The ease of use and quality results make it great for learning environments, offering hands-on experience in 3D printing. Customization and small batch manufacturing are on the rise. The Photon P1 lets businesses prototype and produce custom products efficiently, keeping costs low. Ready to support the Photon P1? Start by reserving your spot with just a $10 deposit, locking in the lowest pre-sale price of $449. Don't forget to follow the official Kickstarter campaign launching in mid-December 2025. Spread the word in your maker community and help bring this innovative printer to life. Backers will enjoy exclusive perks like discount coupons and custom accessory packs. Join us in supporting the future of 3D printing.